This video is all about finding the value of x. Now we're given a e, which is 5, and b e is x, and that is what we're asked to find. And line b c passes through the center, so it is the diameter of the circle. So now let's begin. Let me just do a rough sketch of the diagram. Now this is the center O. Now join a line here, and from here to this point here is your A, B, C. Let me see. Okay, that is it. This is D, and okay, D and E. There is also a tangent here. This is E. Now this is tangential to ED, ED, and BE is tangential to the circle. So now let's say I want to show something here. Let's say you have two lines tangential and they meet at a point. Now this is the center. If you now draw a line from here to here and here, a line from the center to the point where a line is tangential to the circle forms at angle 90. The same here. Now let's join these two lines together. Now let's say this is O, and let me call this is A, B, C. Now if you look at this critically, you notice that if you look at it now, you notice that OB is equal to OC, which is the radius of the circle. So that means triangle, then that means that triangle OBC is an isosceles triangle. Then if it's an isosceles triangle, it now means that angle OBC is equal to angle OCB, and if those angles are equal, now it then means that, let's say this angle is theta here is theta. Now since they are equal, and now for angle ABO is 90 degree, so angle ABC plus angle CBO is equal to angle ABO. Now we're looking for this angle, so now angle ABC plus angle CBO is theta, which is equal to angle, that is equal to angle ABC plus theta is equal to this, which is 90 degree. So it means that this angle ABC is equal to 90 minus theta. So this angle here is equal to 90 minus theta. So again, Now let's look at this other side. You know angle ACO is equal to what? 90. And angle ACB plus angle BCO is equal to angle ACO. So we're looking for angle ACB. Now plus angle BCO, which is what? Theta, is equal to angle ACO, which is 90 degree. So if you move this to this other side, you now have angle ACB is equal to 90 minus theta. Now, let me write it here. Since angle ABC is equal to angle, so here is 90 minus theta, since it's equal to angle ACB, then it means that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, which name shows that side AB is equal to side AC. So here is equal to here. So that is actually, I don't need to waste more of your time to prove this. It is just a theory in it's a theorem in circle. If a circle is drawn like this and there is a tangent at a point, at 2 points, let's say tangent at this point and at this point, and they meet at a point, it means that this side must be equal to this side for that to happen. So now that means that here is equal to this place, and here is x, so here will be our x2. Now let's draw a line joining here. Now there is also a rule. There is a rule in circle. Now if you draw a line, let's say here is the center, draw a line from here to here, and now you draw another line to meet from that same point to meet at another the other side of the circumference. This angle formed at the center, which is 2x. If here is 2x, here will now be x. So that is circle theory. So now when you look at here now, if you now draw a line through the center, a diagonal, it now forms angle what? 180. So since it forms angle 180, that means here should be what? 90. So that is it. So now, having stated that, since here is 90 degree, that means angle ADB is also 90. Now let's assume here is theta. Since here is equal to this place, here will also be theta because it's a isosceles triangle. The angle at the base is equal. Now, since the angle of the base are equal, so here since it's theta, here now let's say here is alpha. Now, since here is alpha, now let me draw a line like this. Here is A, D, B. Now there's a line here. Let me see, which is here is E. Here is theta. Here is theta. Here is x. Here is x. And here is alpha. And here, this angle here is 90. Based on this explanation here. Now, based on this explanation, because since here forms 90 and ADC is straight line. Now, angle on a straight line, you now have, now let's say here is C. Since angle BDC is 90, an angle on a straight line, it now implies that angle ADB plus angle BDC is equal to what? 180. So that means angle ADB is equal to 180 minus angle BDC. And since angle BDC is 90, it now implies that this is also what? 90 degree. So since we have gotten that explanation, now since here is theta and since here is also 90, that means angle ADE plus angle EDB is equal to angle ADB, which is equal to what? 90. So now angle ADE is alpha plus angle EDB is theta, which is equal to what? 90. So this is equation 1. So it means that theta, alpha plus theta is equal to what? 90. Now from this equation 1, if you move this to this other side, alpha is equal to 90 minus theta. Now if we also look at this triangle, you have here B, you have here A, you have here D. So here is theta, here. So now here is 90. So this place now, angle, the sum of angle in the triangle is 180. So angle BAD plus angle ABD plus angle ADB is equal to what? 180. Now we're looking for this angle BAD plus angle ABD is theta plus angle ADB is 90, which is equal to 180. So if we move all this to this other side, we now have angle BAD equal to 180 minus 90 minus theta. This will give us what? 90 minus theta. And since from this equation 2, alpha is equal to 90 minus theta, so we now say angle BAD is equal to alpha. So that means here is alpha. So here you have alpha here. If you put alpha here, that means this is here is 5. This is also an isosceles triangle because the bases are equal. So here will be equal to this place. So now you have, here is x, here is 5. So x is equal to what? 5. So this is the final answer. So x is equal to 5. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a nice day.